Oh my gosh. That bird scared me, y'all. I did not even see it this whole time. Hello. Are you hurt? Why haven't you moved? Are you a baby? See how it looks fuzzy? Are you okay? Well, it looks like I scared the poop out of you. Or those aren't eggs, are they? All right, I think you're a baby and I'm gonna leave you alone. Okay. Bye, sweetie. I don't think it's hurt, but I might have scared the poop out of it because there's something white under its butt and I don't think it's eggs. And it's all fuzzy. So I think it's a baby. Like a full-grown baby. Like, I don't know if you consider it a teenager or something. Scooby-Doo. Hello.